About 130 million years ago, during the mid-Cretaceous period, dinosaurs were not the only creatures on planet Earth. Bees also roamed the Earth. According to current knowledge, there are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide, with varying characteristics, behaviors, and habitats. These species can be found across diverse ecosystems, ranging from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, and even in urban environments. In the year 1858, a British naturalist, Alfred Russel Wallace, discovered a large bee. This bee species was the Megachile pluto. It is the largest known bee species on planet Earth, known for its impressive size and a distinct appearance. It had a wingspan of up to 2.5 inches and a body length exceeding 1.5 inches. The Megachile pluto stood as an undisputed titan among its fellow bee counterparts. The Megachile pluto was initially thought to be extinct, with no further sightings for over 100 years. However, in 1981, an entomologist named Adam Mesa rediscovered this colossal bee in the Indonesian region of the North Moluccas, igniting a renewed interest in its conservation and study. It belongs to the Megachilidae family. Among the notable bee species, the Apis mellifera, widely known as the western honeybee, is the most recognized. It is highly valued for its production of honey and crucial role in commercial agriculture. These social insects live in large colonies and have been extensively studied for their complex communication, hierarchical structure, and remarkable navigation skills. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants. Beehives, the primary residence for a thriving bee colony, are meticulously crafted with an innate understanding of space optimization, ventilation, and temperature regulation. Typically, a hive is made up of multiple combs, each consisting of hexagonal cells arranged in a precise pattern. This hexagonal design is a testament to the bees' remarkable instinct knowledge of geometry, as it allows them to maximize storage space while minimizing the use of construction materials. The combs are structured in vertical tiers, allowing bees to store pollen, honey, and larvae within the cells. The lower part of the hive is usually dedicated to brood rearing, where the queen lays her eggs and the young bees undergo their developmental stages. Above the brood area, bees store their precious honey, a vital energy source for the survival of the colony. This vertical division of labor within the hive ensures an efficient utilization of space and resources, crucial for the survival and prosperity of the entire colony. The construction process of a beehive is a testament to the remarkable collaboration and communication within the bee community. Bees utilize beeswax, a substance secreted from their own bodies, to build the hive. Each bee contributes to the building process, meticulously sculpting the wax into the complex hexagonal structure. This communal effort highlights the exceptional social organization and coordination among the bees, demonstrating the power of collective intelligence at its finest. Moreover, the bees' ability to regulate the temperature and humidity within the hive is a marvel in itself. By fanning their wings, bees can control the airflow within the hive, ensuring optimal ventilation. This ventilation system helps maintain the hive's internal temperature, crucial for the development of the brood and the preservation of honey. The beehive is an intricate social structure that is essential for the survival and productivity of the entire colony. The complex organization of the beehive is a marvel of nature, demonstrating a sophisticated division of labor and communication that enables the hive to function as a unified and highly efficient entity, or a superorganism. At the core of this system is a hierarchical structure that dictates the roles and responsibilities of each individual bee, contributing to the overall well-being and productivity of the colony. This complex hierarchy is made up of a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. At the top of the hierarchy sits the queen bee, the sole fertile female in the colony. The queen's primary responsibility is to lay eggs, ensuring the continuity of the colony. She is tended by the worker bees, who feed and groom her, enabling her to focus entirely on her egg-laying duties. She has the ability to choose the gender of her offspring. The queen releases pheromones that regulate the behavior and development of other bees, maintaining the hive's harmony and unity. An average beehive contains about 50,000 individuals. Beneath the queen bee are the worker bees, comprising the majority of the hive's population. Worker bees are female bees that do not reproduce, but are crucial for the hive's day-to-day operations. They perform a myriad of tasks, including foraging for nectar and pollen, building and repairing the hive, nursing the brood, and protecting the hive from external threats. Worker bees also regulate the temperature and humidity within the hive, ensuring an optimal environment for the development of the brood and the storage of honey. Within the worker bee population, there is a division of labor based on age. Younger worker bees typically handle tasks within the hive, such as cleaning and nursing the brood, while older worker bees venture outside for foraging and scouting for new resources. This division ensures the efficient allocation of resources and the smooth functioning of the hive's activities. In addition to the queen and the worker bees, there are also drone bees, the male population of the colony. Drones have one primary role: to mate with the new queen during her flight. Once they perform this function, they perish shortly afterward. Unlike worker bees, drones do not possess stingers and do not participate in foraging or hive maintenance. Their presence is essential for the genetic diversity of the colony, as they contribute to the queen's mating process, ensuring the survival and the adaptability of the hive's genetic makeup. Bees, like other insects, are known for their exoskeleton, a tough external covering that provides structural support and protection. Composed primarily of chitin, this exoskeleton is segmented, allowing for flexibility and movement. They have distinctive heads featuring compound eyes that enable them to detect movement and polarized light, facilitating navigation and communication. Bees can see all colors except the color red. Their antennae, equipped with sense receptors, aid in detecting chemical signals and perceiving their environment. The middle section of the bee's body, the thorax, is crucial for its flight capabilities. It houses powerful muscles that facilitate the rapid wing movement necessary for their characteristic buzzing flight pattern. They can flap their wings about 200 times per second. The abdomen, the posterior section of the bee, is responsible for housing vital organs, such as the digestive and the reproductive systems. In female bees, specialized structures like the stinger and the wasp glands are located in the abdomen. The proboscis, a slender elongated mouthpart, serves as the bee's tool for feeding on nectar and pollen from flowers. It enables the bee to access the hidden nectar reserves of various flowers, an essential function in the pollination process. Bees play a pivotal role in the pollination of flowering plants, contributing to the reproduction and genetic diversity of various plant species. Their hairy bodies collect and transport pollen from one flower to the other, facilitating cross-pollination and ensuring the production of seeds and fruit. Around 30 million years ago, a significant evolutionary shift occurred, leading to the emergence of social behavior in certain bee species. This pivotal development gave rise to the construction of intricate colonies with clear divisions of labor and hierarchical structures. This evolutionary leap marked a turning point in the history of bees, facilitating their colonization of diverse habitats and fostering a more efficient utilization of resources. This is the Busy IQ. Subscribe for more science videos.